Hi y'all, just doing a real quick video. What I have here is a 1 ounce serving ladle. You can use it for many uses, but for this particular time, I like to use this for not so much as portion control, but when you have little ones such as babies and they're just learning to eat, or for toddlers, it's nice to be able to see just how much food you're giving them so you can make sure they at least eat 1 ounce worth of food or 2 ounces worth of food, because sometimes they can be little picky eaters. So what's nice is right here I have some brown rice, which is something that I try to incorporate into my family instead of feeding them white rice, because of course brown rice is better. But I can go ahead and put it on in, and there's some, I'm serving it with some gravy, so that's why the rice is stuck to it. But it's nice because all I have to do is just put it on there, and when I feed the little ones, I know that they're at least getting so much amount of food, which is, kind of nice. So it works for babies, toddlers, for your little ones. And then here's the gravy. It's just some gravy and chicken. But I can be able to give them this, so at least I know they're eating at least something, and I can be able to kind of measure it. So there you go. Thank you so much. Thanks so much for watching.